Hey everyone. So Ram Dass said that the ego is built on fear. So regardless if you think of your ego as being, high up there where you think very highly of yourself and you're very self-centered, or if you have that self-deprecating behavior where you think very lowly of yourself, all of that is ego. But your truth resides within your soul. And that soul is connected to the all that is, to God, to whatever it is, whatever word you want to give it. That is what your soul is connected to. And we operate within the ego most of the time. It's very 3D, it's very in this world, tangible, what's in it for me sort of situation, when really we should be going within and listening to our soul, because that is where that beautiful love resides, that love for ourselves, love for others, that's where it resides. And when we go deep enough and begin to listen to that, then we can create more peace, more love within our lives, within our world. And that type of energy, that peaceful, loving energy, spills out to everyone and everything all around us. So if we are sitting in our ego, that is not our truth. That is just made up crap of who we think we are, when really going within and listening deeply to what is happening on the inside, that is our truth. That is our authentic self. That is love. And you've gone within when it does feel peaceful. It feels comfortable. It feels like home. And we need to go within a lot more often. We need to listen a lot more often. And there is a beautiful balance here when we can go within and listen to that inner being, to our higher consciousness, to that divine spark within us. When we can listen to that, and it becomes more and more, that voice becomes louder, that feeling becomes louder, that beautiful loving feeling, our truth, our authenticity, we begin to step into that a lot more fully. And when you are in that ego, it feels difficult, it feels hard, it feels imbalanced. And you know it. You know when you are operating from ego and when you are within operating from your divine self, your divine spark. So take the time to go within. This is just as important as interacting with the outside world. Going within your inner world and seeing what's happening on the inside, and then going out into the world and bringing that peace, bringing that love, bringing that balance, because you are already balanced and peaceful and loving within. So I hope this helped you. I will see you next time. Bye.